Everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is NGumah, founder of PATTERNOLOGY LAB. In one of my previous videos, I have taught all of you a very simple way to make $500 per day with $500. In today's video, I'll be showing you a different way to make $800 per day with $800. So stay tuned. Alright y'all, now the stock that I'm going to use for this tutorial is ALT. Now let's dive into Think or Swim and see exactly how to approach this scenario. Now this right here is ALT on the daily chart. As you can see, it's been growing from like $2, actually $3, all the way up to $33 in just 2 months. And if you take a look at the 1 hour chart of this stock, we can see that there is a clear pattern right here. Okay, right here this pattern formed and exploded, and I completely missed out on this entire move. Okay, I missed out on the short-term pattern, and I missed out on the entire growth of the stock all the way up to $33. But that specific pattern, since I have traded it so many times, I had a pretty good idea on where I would tell my calls if I was going long on this specific pattern. And another thing that I want y'all to see is the stock on the daily chart. If we go all the way back to back here, okay, what you can see in this region right here, there are a bunch of FOMO buyers who thought the stock was going to go to 50 who got trapped at that specific point. What I was anticipating was that they would also want to get out as soon as they get another opportunity to do so. So I decided to short the stock down before the sell-off even started. Now here's exactly what I did and what you can do the next time it happens. I simply waited for the stock to go all the way up to this region right here, where all of the FOMO buyers got trapped pre-market, just like the ones from way back in like 2016. And then as soon as the price tapped it right there, and if you can look really closely, this combination of candles, these 3 candles, it's called an evening star, which I talked about in one of my previous videos. And as soon as I saw this evening star form, I went on Robinhood, I tapped the name of ALT, and then I went to trade ALT options. I made sure that this was on buy and that this was on puts. And then I chose the contract that expired on July 17. Today is Saturday, so those contracts are no longer there. But let's just pretend that this right here says July 17. So I clicked on that one, and then I scrolled to find the $32 put option. And at that time, those contract was worth $380 to $400 each. So I decided to just click on the plus here and then click on continue, and I chose to buy 2 contracts for exactly $400. So I clicked on review and I sent out the order to buy 2 contracts for approximately $800. As shown on ALT's history, if we scroll down to right here, we can see that I bought my first contract at $11.37 for $380. And then I bought my second contract at $11.50 for exactly $400. So the average cost was $400. And if you go back to Think or Swim, we can see that after I got in here and I got in here, the stock actually topped out and then broke this trend right here. And as the stock was tumbling down slowly and the volume was also fading, I already knew that the top was in, and all I had to do was just let gravity take over and watch the stock crumble the next day. And that is exactly what happened the next day. As soon as the market opened, the stock just faded and started collapsing slowly. And I ended up covering my position by selling the contracts that I just showed you how to buy for $780 at exactly 10.27, which is again right here in this green candle. And then I waited just a little bit longer to sell my second contract at exactly 11.06. And if we look at Think or Swim, 11.06 is right here, right at the bottom, to complete the perfect short. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you make $800 per day with $800. If you're a beginner and you like the way I trade and you like my strategy and you're interested in getting started in the stock market, I left some links down below to show you the specific steps to get started. I also left a link to my favorite day trading book in the comment section below. Hopefully it helps you understand the terms that I use in my videos and my day trading strategy, and also the market as a whole. If you have any questions, definitely put them in the comment section below. I will get back to you as soon as I can, or I will make another video about it and explain it to you and for everybody else who's watching. If you're new to this channel, definitely hit that subscribe button. And also don't forget to follow us on Instagram. I do post the patterns that I spot daily, and I do post my entries and my exits on there as well. My name is Paul with Patternology Lab, where we trade patterns and patterns only. And I will see y'all on the next one. Take care.